Okay, I got told off yesterday for not filming this. So this is walnut. We had some old scrappy walnut left over, and my daughter sent me a design. It says, "Can you make me one of these?" And I thought, what the hell is it? And I didn't know what this was until she came and picked it up. So I've made her one, but I'm going to show you what it is. We did a design, we put it on a piece of paper, and we had a piece of wood left over, which was quite a bit, and we made 4. One of them, I'll show you this one. It didn't turn out too well because, where is it? The widest part here, there's a crack in it and it just fell off. So I've made a small one. Now whether we'll use that I do not know. So the idea is I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to finish it off. There's one here, another one there. Look, I started to do it. I thought, well, I'll film it and show you what I've done. So, and I'm not going to tell you what they're for until it's finished, okay? So I'm going to carry on with this one, which I've started to do. I cut that out with a bandsaw, very fine. Look at it. Walnut. It smells beautiful. So what I'll do, I'll carry on with this one, and when it's finished, I'll show you what it's used for. It's quite interesting, really. It's, yeah, that's about it. So I'll do bits and bobs, just filming and sanding and whatnot. Then I'll do some hand sanding, and then we'll oil it, and then I'll show you what it's used for. Okay. So you're going to get the sander on. The idea is to get it nice and smooth, not rounded, but smooth. That's what you're looking for, but smoother. I'll do the rest by hand, if you can hear me. Right, so now this piece. Nice and clean. Okay, if anybody's saying about these sanders, they actually are designed to go upside down like this. There is a bracket that comes with it, and it supports it to the desk, but it's so heavy, there's no need to. I've got my sandbag on the back as well, so it doesn't get any dust. But this is what we're looking at, and I will carry on now with some hand. It's got to be smooth, and I'll show you why. Okay. So the idea is to get rid of any jagged edges. So you want it pretty smooth, so I'm going to spend an hour doing this. It actually isn't that long. Watch, I'll show you. See, zoom comes down. Get the right grit. I think that's 100 grit. I think it is. Anyway, right, I'll carry on. Plus, when you're sanding it, you want to try and go with the grain. I mean, this is a bit of a. I'll get that out now. Can you see that? If you can see that or not. See that there? Yeah. I want this so it's absolutely beautifully smooth. It's coming nearly there. Can you just see that? There's a little bit of a high spot just there. So I'm going to take that down as well. Okay, that's better. Next, a bit of wax now. Make sure it's nice and hot and the wax gets into it. And there we go. Right, I'll show you what it's used for. Anyway, so what's it used for? This is I was only found out the other day off my daughter why she wanted it, so I made her one. So I finished this one off for myself, and I couldn't believe why. I said, "What is it?" And what it is this. Look, massive. And I tell you what, does that get deep into the muscle? If you've got, I've got an injury here, and that really does. And then you can swap it round. So it's got multiple grip handles like so. So you can actually penetrate the muscle on your shoulders, anywhere. And then also pull your sleeve down. So you've got tricep, bicep injury. You stimulate the muscle. Get the blood going to the damaged area. But I think it's more than that. I'll find out, and I'll leave it in the description as well, what they're actually called. But you can do, come down. So you've got also, see your legs, and then you've got this great big wide one, which is like for your thighs. So you can really massage and stuff like that. It's really clever little bit of kit. It's just a piece of scrap wood. Look, piece of scrap wood. Walnut's beautiful, beautiful wood. And that was it. So quick, go on the belt sander, made a shape of it. I mean, you can do your own design, I suppose, not, you know. And that's it. So each way I round them all off, and why they're all rounded off nice, so you don't, you know, you want to stick it in your muscles. But yeah, that's it. You can do anything across your chest if you've got an injury or something like that, or a pulled pec. Clever. Be keeping that handy. I'll tell you, I'll be using that on Andrew because he's always getting injuries. Anyway, if you enjoyed the vid, that would be great if you give it a thumbs up. That'd be fantastic. And sorry I didn't show you the bit cutting it out, but it's pretty straightforward. A bandsaw, or you can use a little fret saw. You know, your little, just get a nice piece of, you need a hardwood, you need a decent piece of hardwood. I've got sawdust in the eyes. And here we go. Alright, take care, and we will definitely see you in the next video. All the best.